Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to do Geo referencing. This is a part of post-processing. After you did the fieldwork using laser scanner for point cloud data, and total station or GPS for exact coordinates of the targets. Keep in mind that the more targets you do georeferencing, the more redundancy it will give to the data, which is a good thing. So you're going to put both of them together. After you use the scanner, you should combine multiple scans before you try to do georeferencing, because you want to put all the point cloud to be nicely stitched together. What georeferencing does is it moves the whole point cloud that you already put together to another coordinate system, which could be GDA 94 or WGS 84. The default coordinate system that's set by scanner is 0 on easting, northing, and height. And what are you trying to do is to shift the whole point cloud to real coordinate system. So first of all is to launch Cyclone. And you see navigator pop up, navigator windows. And because I didn't create the database, so first of all I would create database first. So I go to configure database, and then I name the database. And then I would highlight on tutorial database that was just created, and then I click on create and create new project. And then I click on the project and go to file, and then import the raw data that I obtained from the scanner. So gotta wait for a few minutes till it's importing. So while we're waiting for that, we're gonna create a control. These data we will get from using total station or GPS. We will try to shift the whole point cloud to these coordinates. So we will distinguish by the spacebar. There will be 4 columns in total. The first column, 1U, that is the name of the target. It could name anything, T1, T2. 1U is just what I named for that. And 203, that is the easting, northing, and elevation or height, accordingly. So that's the first target, and the second line is the second target. So the name of the target, it's really important. It's gotta be correlated to the data from the scanners that you scan the targets. So I just type the coordinates. So while you were scanning, you have to scan all the targets as well, and after or during the scanning, you should take the total station and then just shoot at the target and find the coordinates X, Y, Z that you know exactly. So that is the data that was imported. So I will show you what is the model space look like, the point cloud data look like originally before we do georeferencing. So this is our point cloud. And if you see at the vertex on the left, that is a scanner, and it would set X, Y, Z. That's axis, that is 0, 0. So if you look at the bottom left corner, you will see the coordinates, which is according to the stations. This has not been transferred yet. So you see 1U, 1L, and 2. Those are the name of the targets that I named it during the scans. So that's just to show you. And then now we're gonna import the coordinates to the project. Go to the project level. So highlight the project and then import. Try it again. Import. And then go to wherever you put it is. So and then because the format I already set up, but in the default you should see this survey default. So you have to, first column you have to put it as target ID, and then easting, northing, and elevation accordingly, and number of columns. So you have to make sure that you got every columns, and the row to skip. If I skip, it will skip the first row. So that's the delimited. So is distinguished between columns, so we use the spacebar. So, and there you go. That is the control that we just created. So I just want to show you what it looks like. So it's pretty much the target, 3 targets. There's no point in this because we just import the coordinates and we name it as the target. So next we're gonna create the registrations, and we name the registration Geo Reference. Keep in mind that you can do this after you combine all the scan together, and you just create new registrations and new scan world. So we add the scan world, and we pick the. So in this, if we already put all the station together, we can just import the whole station, the whole scan world that we already stitch the point cloud together. But now we have only one station, so it doesn't matter. So we right click and then set home. So what set home means is it's gonna use the control file, the coordinate there, as the default, highlight and then constrain, and then we're gonna constrain target ID registration, register. Then you can see that there's some error on 1L. Register and create freeze to model space, and then register again, and then create model space. Now we can see that the point already put together. So you can check by just click at any point, pick any point, and you just look at the coordinate. The original was 0 something, but now since I already moved, so it changed to 200s. So we can make sure that. So yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you.